Fresh reports suggest that Apple Watch users have started experiencing severe battery drain after installing the WatchOS 10 update. But before we dig deep into it, if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Users claim that their gadget's battery fails to last even for a day with minimal usage. In addition, people have noted that their battery drains significantly overnight, and that too when it's not in use. Some have reported a staggering drop of 84% in the battery charge just within a time span of about 4 hours. Astonishingly, this happens even when the watch is just tied to the wrist. The sudden dip in battery life is leaving users with a sense of unease as they have to charge the gadget up to 5 times a day. Apple Watch Ultra owners claim that they could stretch and use their watch for 3 days on a single charge. However, after the upgrade to WatchOS 10, the battery life has been adversely affected. Some people have observed that the latest update to WatchOS 10.0.1 resolves the problem to some extent. It appears that a system-wide location services bug is affecting every app or complication that is trying to pull out the location data. So it's recommended that you disable map or weather complications that are pulling location data until it's fixed by Apple. You can also try unpairing and repairing your Apple Watch for a potential fix. Apart from this, a number of Apple Watch users are also encountering difficulties while trying to charge their device. Some are speculating that the devices might not be fully charging as Apple has limited the battery charge percentage to 80. In addition to this, users have noticed that their device ends up losing charge even when it's not connecting to the charging brick. Apple hasn't released a statement on any of the issues yet, but we'll update our article when new information emerges. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.